the Group Editorial Director for UBM Advanstar's Dental Division, including Dental Products Report. And I'm on a Google Hangout today with Keaton Marks. Keaton, would you take just a moment and introduce yourselves to our viewers?
Absolutely, Kevin. Thanks for having me. So I am the Director of Business Development over at Patient Pursuit. Been working here for about 2.5 years. When I came on, we had a lot of dentists working on our product, and we realized that there's a lot of need to focus on the marketing piece as well as the phone skills piece. So we've kind of merged those two things into one product, and that's what I've been doing for the last couple of years.
And I know that you all helped us out with an ebook that we have online that is obviously downloadable to all of the viewers right now. But we wanted to talk a little bit about some of the things that are captured in that ebook. So Keaton, tell me why the phone call has become such a huge piece of the discussion in the dental industry lately.
You know, it's interesting. What happened about a few years ago, right after the recession was kind of winding down, which really hit dentists hard, was that marketing was on the rise, and the more dentists were marketing their offices, they were trying to figure out what was working and what wasn't. And really what the gap was phone skills. And that is something that we learned pretty quickly was not only should you track what marketing is driving phone calls, but if our agents and our receptionists aren't doing well on those phone skills, we're going to miss so many opportunities. We learned that really quickly, and then the quicker we shared our message out, it was pretty obvious to the rest of the community that, hey, this is something that's very important, and I've been hearing it from other speakers around the industry as well.
So tell me some of the ways that those phone calls really make it or break it for the dental practice.
So when we started listening to phone calls, one of the things that we noticed were receptionists weren't eager to book appointments. They were more passive about it. So instead of saying, hey, I'd like to book you for an appointment, I've got an availability on Thursday, they would just simply answer the questions and then let the caller hang up, which obviously is not the way we would like to pursue it and grow our business. So when we focused on actually just asking that simple question, would you like to come in and see our office, that made a huge difference.
And tell me a little bit about where you see the dental industry heading this year as we really get into 2015.
Yeah, it's a great question. With all these changes with social media platforms and whatnot, it's kind of hard to decide what the next big marketing piece is going to be. But the more that we can, stay cutting edge, make sure we know what's out there, the better we can be. And one of the things that Patient Pursuit is very valuable for is we're able to identify those marketing pieces that are driving those high-quality leads and those phone skills that are converting them. So once you've got that entire picture, it doesn't really matter what the industry is going to do. As long as you can identify what's working and what's not, we can make sure that we can do more of it.
Very cool. And how do people learn more about Patient Pursuit?
I think the best way is to download that ebook. That ebook's actually a gold mine of information, so I definitely would check that out. And then as soon as you read that, feel free to reach out to me and come to patientpursuit.com. We've got a whole suite of nice offerings and other ebooks that would be valuable for our clients.
Sounds great. Again, the ebook is How One Top DSO Turns Phone Calls into Patients. You'll find the link here in this trigger article, along with the video interview that we've just done with Keaton. Keaton, it's been a pleasure to talk to you. Really appreciate the time, man.
Thanks, Kevin. Really good meeting you.